Hello, this is Beading Letter U tutorial. We have two ways to make it. First, we already have a straighted head pin. Then we use a mandrel, push it in the middle, and then go up, go up. So it's a U. And then second, we have another way. That is, we form the shape. We can use a mandrel or round nose plier. Now I'm using a round nose plier. You can decide how big the curve you want. Now grab it in the middle because you have to leave some room for your loop. Here, and you push. You get the U shape. Then you want to strip this in. I think about it, I'm not adding background music. I want to keep things simple, so I will really add background music. Shape and cut it. How long do you decide to cut wire? It's usually how big the loop you want. It always is 3 times the loop of your size. 3 times of it. This is a mathematical pi, 3.14159. Thank you.